today we're gonna be talking about Builderall. I'm sure you've seen me. If you follow me, you've seen me, sharing this a lot of times. I've been sharing this for months now, because there's so much value from this digital marketing platform. Big companies, they are using this software here. Individuals are using this software. Small companies are using this software. This is a digital marketing software for everyone. A good thing about this platform, when you have this, you have every digital marketing tool that you need in one roof, in one room, in one platform, as you can see here already. And I mean, this is even a free account. So imagine if you were paying, because it says upgrade here. By the way, this is Builderall 4.0. It has upgraded. If you know about Builderall, you know it was 3.0. Now they have upgraded. So it looks like they're gonna be upgrading every year or every now and then. But then definitely they are making improvements. It means Builderall is becoming more robust. So it's a good chance to jump in, join the platform, utilize it, because there's a lot. Right, let's get to it. So the first that you can do, Builderall, of course, you can build a website or build pages. Let me take you to it here. Before then, so from Builderall, here is the home page. All right, so this is the things that they've availed to me as a free user. At first they only availed cheetah website builder and email marketing automation, but then they've added some more. So whenever you upgrade, let me just click here. Whenever you upgrade, right, you're gonna get more, obviously. So these are all the apps that are gonna be available to you whenever you upgrade. There is a lot that you can do from Builderall. You can build a lot. I mean, if you want to build an e-commerce site, here is it here. E-commerce magneto, you can integrate WordPress. There is a lot. If you want to build an app, and people have been telling you that building an app is difficult, of course, but then platforms like Builderall, they make it easier for you to build things without actually having being to school or being a coder, because they just gave you templates and they just guide you throughout the process. They make things easier for you. Also, I know a lot of companies, they pay a lot of money for email marketing, especially, I mean, MailChimp. We know it is expensive. With Builderall, the price that you're going to be paying here, you do not only get to build pages and your website, but you also get to have professional emails, send email marketing. You also get to connect your social media, SMS messaging. There's a lot you can design for video rep, a video tech tool for YouTube channel or whatever video. And another thing, a good thing, guys, which is very important, I mean, I find this very important, SEO. Builderall is gonna help you to rank on the first page of Google. It's gonna recommend to you ranking keywords. So that's another thing that you can check out. But I mean, there's a lot. Check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. You check it out, tell me how it goes for you. But then before we end this video, let me just let me just enter this the website builder, and just show you a feel in terms of how it looks like. And another thing about Builderall, guys, I mean, it's user friendly. If you've been on the net for some time, you'll know that this is user friendly. You can also generate a script. So if, let's just say, you are, let me also open this one, you are sending an email marketing. Let's just say you want to send you are trying to sell something to someone. You don't need to think hard about what you're going to say, because Builderall is gonna make all the work for you. You're just gonna put in what you want to say, or what you want your email to be about. Just give them a few info, and they're just gonna generate that for you. Let me just make this practical. So what Builderall will actually do for you, in case maybe you want to send an emailer and you do not know, where to start. It's the first time you're sending an emailer, and you have, let's just say, 100 people to send to. You wanna, I don't know, sell them, a t-shirt or whatever. Builderall has got script for you. Just need to provide, them a bit of a detail on what, you're gonna be selling. Let's just say, we can say, let's just say you are selling, let's just choose flash sale email series. You're gonna click here. So it's gonna just generate a script for you, and not just any script, guys. Their script they are selling. You see this headline here. If you get this from your inbox, I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna want to know. Frustrated with, you know what I'm saying? So it's just one of those catchy, headlines, catchy, emails that Builderall provide, that are just gonna prompt people to open them and eventually click to your landing page, and eventually convert your users. But then there's just a lot, guys. So this is a script generator here, and this is obviously where you can build your site or whatever. So you can see here, build some few. So you can do a lot. You can create a new site. So you can create a lot. You can just create a page, a lead magnet page, so there is a lot. You can even explore a builder, SEO page report app. But then basically there's a lot. I really recommend this platform if you are in the marketing industry, or you want to dive into the marketing industry. You want to get the feel, this is gonna help you, progress. It's gonna help you develop. It's just gonna provide you with a lot of data. You don't need to be buying things separately, like buying email marketing tool, buying app builder tool, buying script generator tool, buying website builder tool, where there is a tool that's got everything in just one platform. And it's even affordable. Let me just go to their pricing here. Let me just say upgrade. But then this is a very, very, very good platform. I've been using it for some time, and I am super happy with it. So you can see their pricing here. It's gonna be just $79.90 a month. But then the point, guys, is not to sell you this. The point is to get you to using this, because you can use those tools at just $0 for free. You know what I'm saying? You can use all these tools at just $0. Check it out, let me know. But then if you want more, you know what to do to upgrade. Right, guys, that's it, the video of today. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video, and keep cool, keep safe. It's festive season, I will see you, I don't know when, but then you know what, I'm still here.